If you're a business owner with a website that receives traffic from California in the US, you may have heard about the CCPA, or the California Consumer Privacy Act of 2018. The CCPA is a privacy law that gives California consumers more control over their personal information that businesses collect. If you want to comply with this law, you are required to set it up on your Google Ad Manager account for all your websites. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to manage CCPA settings from privacy messaging. To get started, log into your GAM account and navigate to the Privacy and Messaging section. Here, you'll find the CCPA option. Click on it and then click on Create Message. Next, add your site and ensure that you've ticked the required box. You'll also need to add your site name and logo. Once you've done this, click Confirm and choose the language for your message. You can even add additional languages if you wish. Click Confirm once you've made your choices. Now you can add the name of your message. You can also simulate the message on both mobile and desktop to ensure that it's displaying correctly. Once you're satisfied with your message, click Publish and then click OK. Congratulations! You've successfully set up CCPA settings on your website. Managing CCPA settings from privacy messaging is an important step in complying with the CCPA. By following the steps we've outlined in this tutorial, you can be sure that your website is compliant with this important privacy law.
Thanks for joining us today. We hope you enjoyed our presentation. Also, learn to monetize more by watching our tutorial series and reading our latest ad optimization tip. Please subscribe to our blog to receive periodic updates. Thanks. We'll catch you next time.